Welcome to your new Murena Fairphone 4 running iOS, the de-Googled operating system. Let us help you in better understanding how our sustainable phone works with iOS and how you can protect your data the best. Setting up your new Murena device is easy. First, select a time zone and adjust the date and time if needed. Turn on your mobile data, set up a Wi-Fi connection, manage your location preferences, choose if you prefer button navigation or gestures. Set up a fingerprint to unlock your phone, select a method to unlock the screen, sync a Marina Cloud account if you have one, and there you go! Some steps can be skipped in case you don't need these features. Let's show you how the home screen looks like. You can rearrange your workspace in the way you want. Just drag and drop your apps across the different pages, or combine your favorite apps in groups. iOS was designed for everyone. It's super easy to use and customizable. The launcher also includes a notifications panel that can be accessed on the top of the screen. It also has a widgets panel on the left side, where you can see the weather, access app shortcuts, and much more. iOS has its own application installer that is compatible with the Android application ecosystem. With App Launch, you can access millions of Android apps directly from your smartphone, including open source apps and progressive web apps. There's no need for other app stores. App Launch also displays a privacy score for each app, which lets you know of potential spying apps. Most apps today contain trackers that can log your activity in the background. Privacy scores create transparency and help limit your data exposure to third-party apps. iOS also comes with a browser app and includes an ad blocker by default to ensure that your browsing experience is free from ads. Browser comes with Spot, a meta search engine that prioritizes users' privacy and returns optimized search results without advertisements. It also comes with a selection of different privacy-based engines like DuckDuckGo, Mojik, and Quant, so you can select your preferred search engine. iOS includes a Maps application with navigation features. The app comes with voice guidance and helps you find the best route to get to your destination. With Maps, you get optimized directions and travel times, whether you're taking the bus, driving your car, riding your bike, or simply taking a walk. The app also includes AI Dashcam, which can convert a phone into a dashcam. Maps offers features like weather and traffic alerts, multiple stops, and location sharing. When it comes to privacy features, iOS is unmatchable. With advanced privacy, you control in real time how much you share of your personal data based on your risk profile. For daily usage, you can block hidden trackers in apps and prevent them from profiling you. For advanced needs, you can fake your location or your internet address, so neither your real location nor your real IP address are exposed. To make it easy, all of these features can be accessed through a widget, so you can quickly protect your privacy with only a couple of clicks. You can sync all your photos and videos safely with the cloud, directly from your Marina device. Every Marina device lets you create a Marina Cloud account that gives you 1 GB of free online storage, which can be upgraded. You can also connect other accounts with your device. iOS lets you connect with any account. To connect with the Marina Cloud account is simple. All you have to do is go to the settings and add a previously created Marina Cloud account to the Accounts page. Head over to Murena.io to know more about Marina Cloud and claim your free cloud account. In iOS, you can access your emails directly with the Mail app. Mail supports every single email service out there, including your Marina Mail account. It is also compatible with POP3 and IMAP protocols. The interface is simple and user-friendly, and you can easily set up an account with just a few clicks. Using a Marina Mail and iOS is a great combination to securing your email. To protect you even more, Mail also supports end-to-end encryption, which prevents others from spying on your messages. No one, not even us, can see your emails. Let's take a look at the Calendar app. Calendar enables you to schedule meetings with different options. You can invite contacts, plan recurring events, share your calendar, and select different views, so your calendar events are always clear and organized. When you save your contacts on Marina Cloud, that enables you to synchronize them across all of your devices. With iOS, privacy goes hand in hand with security and longevity. Your software is updated periodically to include security updates, reducing external threats. Software updates include not only security patches, but also new features and improvements all the time to make sure your mobile experience is always excellent. Are you ready to upgrade your phone to the next level?